So yesterday I didn't finish the vlog because we get straight from Lofoten Islands to ferry and Bodo city and very late, and we stopped at the random spot nearby airport. So for today we're leaving this spot and going to gas station because we need water, and we will refill a freshwater tank, and after that we're moving forward. Actually, it's very strange to see a city for after several weeks of pure nature. We at gas station refilled the fuel tank, refilled the freshwater tank, and we're moving forward. So we tried this bridge, and after it was 200 meters, and I need to stop at one of the side because here's a big whirlpool. We will go closer to see how it looks. We landed from the top to see what's going on in the sea, but we couldn't spot any whirlpools so far, but we still sit and chill. Back from the bridge, and we spotted a sign and we checked it, and the sign was the timetable, the specific time, specific day, specific time where you can see the whirlpools in this area in the sea. So we decided to wait because it will be after 2 hours when we was in this on that sign. So today is starting about 4:30. So yeah, we will wait and see if we can spot any whirlpools. I'm excited. Today I noticed that my front heater doesn't close. It opens all the times in the heating. Today is about 24 degrees outside, it is hot, and if you have the heater, it's more hotter inside. So in spare time, while we're waiting for the whirlpools, I will check what can I do. Maybe the shield is loose, maybe the handle broken, or maybe it's wall fault. So I will check it why it doesn't work. So for now it's that. So I just spotted that hot air cable is folded. You can see the damage. It should be straight. So I will try to remove dashboard and straighten it up. So I tried to straighten it up, and I think I managed to do pretty well. We will see if it's working or not. I think it's working, but yeah, that corner, that place is not very strong. I can see that it wanted to be bended, but it seems working right now. And right now it's left just everything to assemble. Done. So I don't know if you hear me because we are on a bridge, but here's whirlpools. the bridge and we saw the very beautiful whirlpools. So it's something unique, we cannot see every day. But one notice, commercial boats in the water, when they're trying to get in the middle of the whirlpool, they ruin all the nature. So, and right now we're just moving forward somewhere. I saw on the side road that is it's a river or something. I stopped and I saw the fall. So okay, it's interesting because it's small, but still interesting. So we stopped a little bit of googling and we saw a big fall. So we were on the top of it and could see the down falling. It was amazing. Yeah, and we just came back after 1 hour more. 1.5 hours. Right now it's 20 o'clock and we're moving forward. We stopped at this, I don't know, sideway, at the side of the road, random spot nearby a lake and the beautiful mountain. And here we rest for a night. Actually, today we drive not so much, maybe 70 kilometers or so. And for tomorrow we will continue. See ya!